Hello, everybody. Hope everyone out there had a great, safe, wonderful 4th of July, celebrating our 250th birthday of this great country. Picked up a few things. Got these really cool deals. Looks like a little 5-gallon bucket. I think they were from Rural Kings where we got them from. They red. Well, here, we'll just show you. Yes, the red, white, and blue 5-gallon buckets with the official logo of the 250th anniversary, or 250 years. So it is Rural King. Those were neat. Maybe you got a Rural King near you, and you were able to pick yourself up some. But I thought those were pretty neat. Now we're going to do I seen it on Paul Schwalk's channel, and I forgot offhand, but I'll put it in the link below, of who come up with this, but they were saying they wanted to see American cars. So I tried to do that and even go a little farther with it. But American cars, how about the Jeep Golden Eagle with the big eagle there on the front? You tell me what you think of that. And we will zoom in here so y'all can get a closer look. Sorry about the camera movement. I probably should have had this done already, but that's all right. But there you have it. The Jeep. Been an American brand forever up until recently. But the Golden Eagle. How American is that? And next up we have the square body Chevy Hot Wheels with the red, white, blue paint scheme. Take a gander at that. Oh, she's heavy enough. My board turntable there. But that's the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels, and done up in the red, white, and blue as well. She is a beautiful little truck. Up next, we'll just stay in the Hot Wheels brand. And how about a Don the Snake Prudhomme funny car with a beautiful red, white, and blue paint scheme from Hot Wheels. And there you have it there. An American icon in drag racing. That is the Plymouth Cuda body. And it does come up. I might have showed you that. So, yep, that is the Cuda. Don the Snake Prudhomme. Great drag racer. I hope everybody who's watching made it through with all of your fingers and toes and body parts. All right, beautiful car. How about an AMC Rebel? The Rebel machine, done up in the red, white, and blue paint scheme. We'll put that one up there and let her take a trip around. Beautiful car, American Motor Company. That's right. Sad to see it didn't survive. Although Jeep survived, so maybe still a little American there. But the AMC Rebel was a beautiful car, that Rebel machine. And next up in our American car series, we have a Mustang. Now this is white and blue, but it was the USA car. It had the American flag on the back, actually released. You can see the small red pinstripe up there. But there you go, a nice Mustang. I think 72, 73 model. Could look on the bottom probably, but there you have that one. Mustang with the U.S. flag on the quarter. All right, up next we're going to have, how about a Chevelle from Hot Wheels, done in a red, white, and blue scheme. Very cool. Chevelle, one of my favorite body styles from Chevrolet. Be cool if they'd bring a Chevelle body style like that back. Kind of that retro thing, you know. Very neat car. Another beautiful Hot Wheels. Now we're going to go over to, how about some Dodges. There's the Dodge Demon in the red, white, and blue paint scheme. Put that up there. You can check it out. And put it on the turntable. Check out, the video. If you make it all the way through from here, with all the different Patriotic cars, make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let us know which is your favorite. Very, very cool car in that red, white, and blue livery. And as we stay in the Dodge, how about the Dodge Power Wagon in the red, white, and blue? That is a neat truck. You can see it's got the fog lights there, or headache rack lights on the top, fog lights, whatever you want to call them. But the Dodge Power Wagon and the Mopar Performance. Very cool truck. I do want to thank Paul for putting, I see a lot of Paul's videos, like a lot of Paul's videos. He had this challenge, and like I said, he was challenged by somebody else. There's another Don Prudhomme, Don the Snake, and this is his army car in the red, white, and blue. Beautiful car. As it starts its slow turn around on the turntable. Yeah, thanks to Paul, the Mopar guy, Paul Schwalk. I believe it's how you pronounce it. I think I was pronouncing it wrong in some of my previous videos, but another gentleman come out with this, and maybe Dollstar Diecast. That's who done it. I'll find out for sure and leave a link below. But it is a challenge for the country's birthday. Pick your favorite American cars. They don't have to be red, white, and blue. They just have to be American. All right, how about this Mopar? The Superbird Dodge. That's not the Dodge. This is Dodge Challenger. Sorry. So not the Superbird, but it is a Dodge Challenger. And we're going to get him up there on the turntable and let him take a spin around in the red, white, and blue Mopar. Very cool. Of course, they had to put so many of them out on the streets as NASCAR was mandated homologation. And as cool as they were, not many sold. In fact, a lot of Dodge and Plymouth dealers for those cars ended up converting them back to Chargers or Roadrunners. So there you have that. How about some Chevrolet? We had one Chevrolet, the little Chevrolet Gasser in the VP livery. Speaking of some NASCAR, or not NASCAR, but drag racing stuff. So there we have that. And cool, neat car. Cool, neat car. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. If you like this video especially, share it with your friends. Let them say, hey, this is a cool challenge. Why don't you try to do it? Like I said, the challenge is show your American cars for our 250th anniversary. They don't have to be red, white, and blue. They just have to be American. But I had a bunch of these and wanted to share with you. All right, how about the Chevrolet van? And you say, well, I don't see red, white, and blue necessarily on here. But look at the guy playing. He's in his red, white, and blue. And as we turn, you can see the big American flag painted right there on the back. Well, she ain't going to go all the way around apparently. But that is a Chevrolet van. Back in the 70s and all them, the vanning days were going on. And pretty cool. So she's having trouble. But it has the American flag there on the back. License plate, red, white, and blue with "Hey Man." And there you have the, like I said, the American flag. Some peace and love symbols. The hippie van for sure. Chevrolet van. And NASCAR back in the day, the Pontiac Spectrum with the red, white, and blue paint scheme. Pretty cool vehicle. But yeah, Spectrum, NASCAR. It had to be in the 70s. With that Pontiac Grand Prix body, I'm sure. Or Pontiac Le Mans, probably Grand Prix for NASCAR. And how about Cadillac? Cadillac with the ambulances. Wasn't going to do Hearst. Didn't want to end on a crazy note. We've got the red and white. In fact, let's do this. There you have it. The red, white, and blue Cadillac ambulances. Cadillac, of course, great American icon. So there you have it, folks. The All-American Show Your American Car Challenge for our 250th birthday. Big Elvis Diecast. We will catch you on the next one. Y'all take care of each other out there.